Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a comic strip on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the website button, and step to the comic strip option next to the planner. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures, just go to the upload button, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, shapes, stickers, charts, and more. If you want to add text to your project, just go to the text button and click to the add the text box. And if you want to draft, just go to the draft section and draft to your canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that. You can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text, right? And if you want to change the style of your text, just go to the arrow next to the more sugar thin text style name, and here you can select another style and font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. In the effects section, you can add different effects to your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.